Freddie, you know, Alex Ariza, outspoken, he took to Twitter the other day, said Freddie's no longer able to push fighters and it's resulted in some knockout losses for his guys. What are your thoughts on his comment?
You know, he can say what he wants. You know what? All I ask you guys to do is ask Ruslan Provodnikov, ask Miguel Cotto, ask Manny Pacquiao. If I slow down at all, ask them that question. Do I believe in my fighters? Do I want them to win? Do I train them? Do I push them? Ask them that. They'll give you the right answer.
Is it sour grapes kind of, you feel me?
Oh, you know, the thing is, you know, I felt he was wasn't doing anything with Pacquiao. I wanted Pacquiao, I wanted to go back to the RO ways when he used to warm up himself and so forth. And then the Chavez fight him, but I had nothing to do with that. So something's wrong with his program. And you know, back in the day when we were top ranked, he was fired by the guy who got killed in the bonus accident.
Diego Corrales.
Yeah. So, I mean, he fired him too. So, I mean, you know, the thing is, you know, the more I talk about him, the more press he gets, and you know, I don't really want to give him any press. You know, I mean, you know, the thing is, I didn't feel like he was doing anything with Pacquiao, so I wanted Pacquiao to go back to the old ways. I said, man, you remember when you used to stretch yourself and warm up and so forth? And every athlete in the world knows how to do that. So it's just, I want Pacquiao to get back to what he was at the beginning.